My name is Megha Thomas. I'm currently pursuing LLM in corporate law right now. I have got placed to Ernst Young as a project analyst in forensic investigation and compliance.
Hi, I'm Charumita. I'm a BBA LLB graduate with Business Law Honors in Alliance University. Currently, I'm pursuing an LLM in IT data protection. I'm excited to share that I've been placed as a project analyst in forensic investigation and compliance at Ernst Young LLP.
The main texture or thing that I got into this placement is because of the CAN office and the faculty members here.
Alliance has helped me with various insights by providing me with internship experience, internship opportunities to develop. I had opportunity to attend various workshops provided by Alliance University. As a law student, I had exposure to various domains such as ID data protection law, corporate law, and human rights, etc.
There were immense number of workshops happening in our college.
I had also opportunity to explore various experts and get legal opinion from them as well. Internship opportunities provided by Alliance University has also helped me to gain hand-on experience on certain legal insights.
The main thing is that I got into this placement because of the experts that came into our college, because of certain workshops.
I would like to thank Alliance faculty members and CAN office for providing me with these opportunities. For me, Alliance is a place of opportunity.